let's create a solidified modifier. So let's just delete the cube real quick. X delete, Shift A, mesh plane, add modifier, and I want to do solidify. So this is the thickness of it. So like the mirror modifier and the screw modifier, we only have to do it once, and then using the modifier, we can add onto it. In this case, we just need to make a single face, and what the Solidify does is it then creates it into a three-dimensional. So if I go to edit mode real quick, essentially I have this face right here. Let's go on the top view. Let's click both of these. Let's do E, E. Let's do like this, like this. Let's just make a shape real quick. E, E. So kind of funky shape, but if we can see, it's 3D. So even though we're doing it in 2D, it'll generate it as 3D. That's what the Solidify does.